Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I traveled to Malaysia in early April 2018. I traveled for 7 days exploring 4 different cities with different climatic conditions and different culture. I would like to present my travel experience in multiple parts. So here is the part 4 of the travel series, Unplanned Penang.
We have reached Penang. It was quite a bumpy ride and it was for 3 long hours, so it was kind of boring as well. We have to go here for our bus to Cameroon Highlands. I don't know, I think we are here. Yeah.
After reaching Penang, we had some good food at Little India Street. The food had a typical South Indian flavor to it. We then checked into a hotel, took a quick shower and moved immediately to explore the city.
Thank you. So we are here to explore Penang. We will be going to Penang Hill first and then see how much time we do have in our hands to visit rest of the Penang city. Wow! View ba to? We have reached the hill and we will be exploring it. So this is like a sky terrace. Wow. So from here you can almost see the entire Penang. Like this is the view you get if the sky is clear.
So to summarize, Penang Hill is really beautiful. It has flowers, trees, animals, temples, mosques, cafes and some stunning views. Though it is a tad bit costly, it is worth every penny. And it is true when they say, you didn't visit Penang if you didn't visit the Penang Hill.
So it's around 11 o'clock and we have just checked out of our hotel in Penang, and now I'll be moving to Cameroon Highlands. So for Cameroon Highlands we have to go to Penang Komtar, which is the bus terminal in Penang. We have booked our tickets yesterday itself. It's around 40 ringgit for Cameroon Highlands per person, and we'll just roam around the city again for some time because we have 1.5 hours. This is like a government funded cycle stand. You have to just go here, sign up with the app Link Bike, and then you have to pay with your credit card, and for 2 ringgits you can hire this for 24 hours.
This beautiful piece of art is Jian Ancestral Temple. This temple was recently renovated and is now a very prominent spot in heritage walks. This Chinese temple is worshipped in the honor of ancestors. Collective rituals are done by the current generations for their own ancestors.
Now these guys are feeding money and some wine to the ancestors.
Normally on Sunday when all the families
Okay.
weekdays normally they are working, so
Okay.
but for our family we come from 3 parts. One family from Australia, then we are
Oh, okay.
down here remain with father and mother, so we come over and pray, then after that we go back to this
Okay.